Hey there, fellow photographers and adventurers.
Welcome back to Product Critique, where we dive deep into the latest gear to help you make informed decisions for your next purchase. Today, we're taking a closer look at a game changer in the world of travel tripods, the Peak Design Travel Tripod. Now, a tripod might seem like a mundane piece of equipment, but trust me, the Peak Design Travel Tripod is anything but ordinary.
Let's start with its design. 4 years of meticulous research and development have gone into crafting this masterpiece.
The result? A tripod that's not only incredibly compact but also remarkably lightweight.
When folded, the Peak Design Tripod boasts a footprint similar to that of a soda can.
Yep, you heard that right.
It's a game changer for travelers and outdoor enthusiasts who prioritize portability without compromising on stability.
Setting up this tripod is an absolute breeze.
No more fumbling with complicated mechanisms, simply extend the legs, and you're good to go.
And despite its compact size, don't be fooled. This tripod can reach an impressive maximum height of 60 inches.
Now, let's talk stability. With a maximum payload of 20 pounds, this tripod can handle a wide range of camera setups. Whether you're shooting landscapes or wildlife, you can trust the Peak Design Travel Tripod to keep your gear steady. One of the most distinctive features of this tripod is its head design. While it may take some getting used to, once you've mastered it, you'll appreciate the intuitive control it offers. Plus, the AKA Swiss compatible plate ensures seamless compatibility with a variety of accessories.
So, what's the verdict?
The Peak Design Travel Tripod is undeniably a premium investment.
But for photographers who prioritize quality and innovation, it's worth every penny.
Its compact design, lightweight construction, and impressive stability make it a standout choice for travelers and outdoor enthusiasts alike.
That wraps up our review of the Peak Design Travel Tripod. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more in-depth product critiques.
Until next time, happy shooting!